To get benefited from all the features of Arcserve product, you need to activate licenses for that product. You can activate licenses even when offline. For video and offline license activation, visit Arcserve UDP archiving video library page. In this video, we will demonstrate how to activate UDP archiving licenses online. Online license activation is a three-step process. First, from console of UDP archiving, start license activation. Then, use your personal email ID to access Arcserve registration link. And then from Arcserve registration portal, you need to complete the license activation process. For license activation, you need to have credentials of UDP archiving superadmin and one email ID to receive email from Arcserve. Before starting activation, you must have received order ID and fulfillment number from Arcserve program license certificate. Now let us get started. Log into the UDP archiving console using superadmin credentials. From the console toolbar, click superadmin and then activation and licensing. The activation and licensing page has two tabs. The first tab, product activation, is displayed with empty fields. This tab is used to activate license. The other tab, license management, is used to manage license. On the product activation tab, notice the first line that mentions UDP archiving product is not activated. When you successfully complete the three steps of license activation, this line should change to activated. Now, let us enter details required for license activation. Enter an email address where you want Arcserve to send the activation email. You can update this email address later. Enter information about name, company, and contact number. Order ID and fulfillment number details should be from the same program license certificate and must not have been used before to activate license. Selecting the checkbox to I agree is mandatory to proceed. After verifying all the information entered in the form, click Activate. Correct details provide an acknowledgement dialog to show successful initiation of activation process. Close the acknowledgement dialog and open your email ID provided in the form before. From your inbox, open the email of Arcserve product registration. From Arcserve's email, click link to the Arcserve portal. You are led to the Arcserve registration page. This last step of license activation involves two steps. First, you need to register your profile by creating password and then complete license activation by adding a license pool in the next screen. In Create a Password screen, you need to create user credentials to log into Arcserve licensing portal. Your provided email ID serves as username. Enter a password and click Save. You are led to the Create License Pool page. A license pool refers to the group of licenses assigned to one or more than one machines. You must create a license pool before closing the page, otherwise your machine will not display the activated licenses. To create a license pool, first enter name under license pool name. Then, under new pool quantity, assign licenses to the pool by specifying a number and then click Save. The pop-up message confirms successful creation of the license pool. Click OK on the confirmation message. Your product license is activated. You are automatically led to the Arcserve license portal login page. When required to manage license, use the user credentials to log in. Now you can verify if the license has been activated. To verify if the license has been activated, return to UDP archiving console. Navigate to Activation and Licensing. The Product Activation tab confirms that your product has been activated. Now, the Product Activation tab does not display form for activation. Instead, it shows the email field that you can use to update your registered email. The license activation process is complete now.